zone here. If you open up to the application, it'll create many different zones. And then you can move it backwards to the different zones.
So what we want to do is we're going to on the table and you're going to talk about not to bend
sample boards, or not boards, but implementations anyway.
Right.
Netbooks.
Right.
And you run it for 2 days. You pick it up and it's cool to the touch. It's pretty amazing stuff.
So 2 days without charging it.
Well, no, this is running from AC.
Oh, right.
I'm just saying that the amount of power it uses is low enough that it produces zero heat.
I was curious, like with battery life too.
Right. By pressing a simple key here, you'll see that I can bring up my Moblin toolbar on my system, and by coming over here to my zone, I can bring it down. And like I said, on the right-hand side, those are tweets using twitter.com from all of my friends. Maybe they won't be my friends after this, we'll see. My appointment, I was at dinner and different organizations here, and these are the different elements that I have. Of course, my pinned applications on the lower left corner as well. I can come over here and interact with one of the recent documents that I had. It so happens to be one of the images that our graphic artists and designers have been doing. We sort of had a competition between the Intel designers and the Novell designers as to who would have the best pictures and photos to sample with. I'll let you be the judge of that. Now I have a full screen view of my image. It's using the new Moblin Media Player, a fantastic application. It's using the Clutter Toolkit. It allows Intel and the OSVs participating in Moblin as part of the Linux Foundation to have really attractive visual effects and the ability to navigate through that, so I can actually go ahead and reorganize my pictures and use those animations to make it very compelling to interact with that. My music, my videos, my images are all in one place, very easily to interact with. I can filter it if I have a media player, I integrate inside of it, and it shows up automatically as part of the play bin. A very convenient user interface. When I come back over here, it remembers the last application that I had on my desktop, and I can interact with it as well. So as I said, the Moblin toolbar is the hub where you do all of your activities. The end zone allows you to get that concept where for 90% of your activities, you're one click away from everything you try to accomplish. I'll skip the status one because I'm not going to update it right now. I just wanted to show you this is live. You see all of my friends that are currently online. I can come in here and I can start an IM conversation with one of them. And right here I could start talking to Miguel Diaz-Casa, founder of the GNOME project and founder of the Mono initiative as well. So here you have it. The web browser over here has its own tab. We'll come back to it in a second. Media, those are the last few images I just showed you, and all of the other functionalities. I can, of course, access many more applications over here. You can see some of them. Just for the purpose of the demonstration, I'll start the calculator. And you'll see that Moblin has a very clever way of organizing my applications. By dealing with the real estate, it gives me a new desktop for that application so that I can easily interact with it. And to get back to them, I can use the zones and find my other applications. Here is, for example, the slides I was going to show to you, but instead I figured that I would actually walk you through a demonstration of the solution. With that, I would like to go back to the first panel, give you an overview of the web browser again. If I click over here, the last tab that we had over here was the web browser, and some of the great effects that we have using Clutter, or the other functionalities is fade, zoom, etc. So I can come here and say, this is another tab that I had open. By just clicking here real quickly, it automatically switches over. Now I'm on the Linux.com website by the Linux Foundation. And very quickly, in a nutshell, Moblin version 2.0, Intel, the Linux Foundation, the Linux OSU. Thank you very much and enjoy COMPUTEX.